Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make money here in Canva. Let's begin. Making money using Canva involves leveraging its design capabilities to offer services or create products that can be sold. Speaking of offering services, you might want to start by creating a profile on different platforms and of course showcase your best designs to attract clients. Now, having a diverse portfolio can help you stand out. One of the easiest way for you to offer your services is creating a poster. All right, you can create a custom posters made easy with the Canvas poster maker. All you're gonna do is click the button here. You just have to log in using your credentials. If you haven't already, just click the option here wherein you can create an account using your Apple, your Google, your Facebook, Microsoft, or with Clever. If you wanted to use your business or personal email, you are also welcome to do that. Now, click again the Start Designing a Poster button. You would be forwarded here, obviously. Just wait for it to load, all right? Of course, you can customize all these. For example, if you wanted to start from scratch, you might want to click on the some of the posters that you wanted. For example, this one. All right, this poster is highly customizable. As you can see, we can put your own elements here. For example, this, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller, like 100, so you guys can see it. All right, and for example, this one right here. I'm going to quickly make few adjustments. All right, I'm gonna delete this one right here. You can add another element on the left side panel. You can add something like a gradient to make it more visually appealing. Of course, you're not limited with the options. You can decrease the transparency so that it will blend together later. For example, this. Of course, you can adjust the transparency. Also use this one right here at the bottom. Copy that. Once you are happy with the design, all right, you have the option to click on the share button. All right, now before we can earn money, you might want to click on the download option here. You can download as PNG, and of course you can use JPEG or PDF standard. Now I suggest you use the PDF print, because if you plan to sell using creating on print on demand products, you can use this. For example, like t-shirt, mugs, and tote bags using Canva. Now there's gonna be an option here that says print with Canva. What I wanted to do is, you see, you can check the pages that you wanted to choose from right here. All right, obviously you can select from what size or what kind of posters you wanted to deliver this. Now, once you have printed this kind of poster, you might want to join some of the platforms for you to be able to sell this print-on-demand poster, which is, since you already created a print-on-demand products like posters and cards in Canva, you might want to sell them here. All you have to do is create your account here in Redbubble. All right, millions of designs and over 70 quality products, purchase, pay artists, and socially responsible production. So these are, of course, you were selling posters. Now you can click on shop posters right here. Obviously, these are some of the posters that you can sell here in Canva. Of course, if you have the skills to create creative and powerful, enticing products, you are gonna earn a lot of money using the Redbubble. Not only that, you can also join this specific platform called Printful. And of course, you can design graphics for products like t-shirts, mugs, and bags, and the posters using Canva, and partner with on the Printful as one of the best print-on-demand services. Set up an online store to showcase your products and sell them without the need for inventory. Now, another way for you to earn money here or make money here in Canva is developing online courses or tutorials. All right, you can create and sell online courses or tutorials that teach others how to use Canva effectively. You can use platforms like a lot of options here. If you want to check the Canva essentials, you might want to do so, right? Key learnings, transcript, and the experts, right? After that, another option for you to do is start a YouTube channel focused on Canva design tips, how-tos and tricks, and monetize it through ads and sponsorship. As you can see, our GPlaps channel is built on solving your problems quickly. If you haven't already, you might want to click on the subscribe button to get notifications in our latest content. We provide a lot of Canva topics, so these are some of the avenues that you can, of course, choose so that you can earn and make money using Canva. Another option that you can go is creating digital products using Canva to design ebooks, workbooks, or planners and sell them on platforms like Etsy or Amazon KDP. All I have to do is click the Start Designing an Ebook right here. What will happen is it will be forwarded to the same page like earlier, and of course, you can focus on specific niches where you have expertise to increase your chances of sales. And from here, you can obviously make a lot of money here in Canva. I'm going to click on upload, create this, and of course from here you can start creating ebooks that you wanted. All right, now for example, if you plan on selling this as an ebook, we're going to create a background. Might want to click on the share button. You need to download it as a PDF standard, which is best for emailing because it's going to be like a for ebook, right? Or you can download it and save it to the different platforms like Google Drive, so you can send them the link, Dropbox, Microsoft PowerPoint, and a lot more. You can also share this to your WhatsApp channel or iMessage, and if of course you can promote your graphics design skills using your social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and TikTok. Now, you can always go to the Amazon KDP or the Kindle Direct Publishing, self-published print and digital books, and reach millions of readers around the world by joining the KDP program by clicking on the option here. Or you can also join the platform like Etsy, and again, you can design digital products such as planners, calendars, invitations, educational materials on your website through marketplaces such as this one. All right. You can also join the Canvas affiliate marketing and share your affiliate link through your blog, social media, or email. You can earn commission for each person who signs up through your link here in Canva. The best part is that by utilizing your design skills and creativity in Canva, you can explore various avenues to earn money and create a sustainable income stream. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.